Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'll be swapping out my puddle lights. And in today's video I'll be swapping out the standard puddle lights for Jaguar emblems. Here's what I'll be fitting, and the link for these puddle lights will be in the description down below. Now a quick spoiler alert, I've actually had these puddle lights for 2 years now, but for the sake of filming I will have these swapped out. So to remove these you simply pull on the side, easier with a trim tool, like so. And there's the LED bulb that I swapped in, which are 2000 lumens. And then simply, see this bit here? Simply unclip that. Like so. And here is the new one. Once again, it's got the same socket as before. And if you want, you can actually swap the projector image over. They are universal. They simply come out through this cutout here, and you can choose whichever emblem you would like. Once again, that goes back in here. Hard to do with one hand, but there we go. I can see it's now, I can see it's now illuminating, and then simply just click it back into place. There we go. Of course, being daylight, this wouldn't be visible, but here's what they look like at night. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap out the puddle illuminators from standard to emblem. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!